I doubled my price and my clients got 10 times easier to work with. That's not a theory, that's actually what happened. And once I understood the specific reason why, I raised my prices again. I'm going to break down exactly what changed and why it works the way it does. Because if you're dealing with difficult clients right now, this might be the most useful few minutes you spend today. Let me paint a picture of my $199 a month clients. Phone calls on Saturday mornings, text messages at 9 p.m. at night, asking why they haven't gotten a review in 4 days. Monthly emails that start with, "I've been thinking about pausing my account." Constant comparison to competitors, constant doubt, constant noise. Now let me tell you about my $499 a month clients. They pay, they let me work. Once a month I send a quick update, rankings up, reviews up, here's where we're at. They reply with "great, thanks." That's the whole relationship. Same service, same results, completely different human beings. I used to think I was just getting unlucky with cheap clients. Like I accidentally kept finding the difficult ones. It's not bad luck, it's math. You look at your Stripe account and think, wow, I have a lot of clients. But really, you built yourself a daycare. Because here's the thing that nobody talks about. Cheap clients aren't difficult because they're personalities. They're difficult because of their situation. And once you understand that, the solution becomes obvious. Think about who's shopping at $199 a month. These are business owners who are skeptical, probably been burned, tight on cash or tight on trust. They sign up at the lowest price possible, basically dipping a toe in and watching you like a hawk. Every week without visible results is like a crisis. Every dollar is a dollar they're second guessing. Now think about who's signing up at $499 a month. These are people running real businesses. They've got crews to manage, jobs to run, phones ringing. They don't have time to micromanage their marketing. They hired you to handle it, so they let you handle it. They're not easier to work with because they're nicer people. They're easier because they're busier people. They have bigger problems than watching your every move. Your price is a filter, and the low price filters in people with the most time to make your life difficult. Profit is not just money collected. Profit is money collected minus time, stress, cancellations, support, refunds, and mental energy. Now here's the last piece, and this one generally surprised me when I noticed it. When you charge more, you care more. When a client is paying you $199 a month, somewhere in the back of their mind, you know they can cancel and it barely moves the needle. So there's no urgency. You do the work, but you're not locked in. When someone's paying you $600, $700, $800 a month, you feel that. You're proactive. You send the update before they ask for it. You catch the problem before it becomes a complaint. Higher prices creates better service on your end. It's genuinely a better deal for everyone. So if your client roster is stressing you out right now, before you blame the industry, before you blame the economy, before you blame anything else, look at your price. The pattern is there. The cheaper the client, the louder they are. Raise your price and watch the whole energy of your business shift. If you want the full system, the scripts, the snapshots, the lead magnets, all of it, it's all inside my community. You also get 2 live calls a week with me, and you can get access completely free. The link is down below, and I'll see you on the calls.